Then you're gonna fluff it backwards, right? And then push it forward. Yes! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you all. I'm reviewing this hair again. It's from Beauty Forever. They sent me this hair. I'm going to show you guys how I style it. I'm going to curl it in this video, and I'm going to show you guys how I laid my frontal down and all that. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys through all the steps. I'm probably going to do a voiceover for some parts of it because it gets a little annoying, so I'm just going to have to speed up through some things. But this is the final look. Some nice like curls, bang, feathered bang, and it just looks really cute. So if you guys want to see how I got this style and you want to know a little bit more about Beauty Forever hair and how it's been holding up since I colored it, so just keep on watching. I'm going to tell you guys everything, give you a little update, and I will see you guys in the video. Let's go. Alright you guys, I'm just going to show y'all how I take my hair from crusty to bomb. So first, you're just going to brush out everything. This is like my 4th day or 3rd day of this install, and as you can see, like my frontal is like off, and I'm just going to show y'all how to make it last another day. I'm going to make it last another day. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and straighten my hair on this side of my head, and then I'm going to come back to you guys and show you how I lay down the frontal. So the first thing you're going to do is separate out the baby hairs you're going to use, because when you glue down the frontal, you don't want to have to manipulate the hairline too much. So pulling out the hairs is just going to make that easier, and just clip the rest back like that. And then all you're going to do is just lift it up like that. And I'm going to use the yellow bottle of the Got To Be Glued gel. You can use the black one or you can use Gorilla Snot. It doesn't really matter. And I'm going to rub that right underneath where the frontal is going to lay on my hairline, up by my ear. That's really important, or else your sideburns will never stay down. So you're just going to put it where I'm showing you, just like that. Now we're going to use the Got To Be Freeze Spray and spray it just on top of the gel that we just placed. And this is going to make it even more secure. And you're just going to let that dry. Make sure it's not dripping down your face. Before you pull the frontal down, just blow on it. Let the gel get a little bit tacky, just like you would for your eyelash glue. Before you pull it down like this, and just tap it into the frontal. Once the gel is completely dry, you can go ahead and start working on the baby hairs. This is kind of an intricate process. I'm using this edge brush and my Eco Styler gel. You kind of just have to watch what I'm doing to understand, but I'm really just brushing out through the hair and sweeping it up, back, and into the frontal. But yeah, it's not that hard once you get the hang of it, but I can't really explain it. So just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to speed through all of this. So yeah, that's how I lay the frontal down. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. But yeah, as you can see, it looks pretty good right now. So that's all I have to show you for now. Let's get on to the curling part of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I curl this hair. I'm gonna talk a little bit about how it's been holding up, and yeah, we're just gonna give you guys an updated review because as you can see, the frontal is bomb still. So yeah, let's just curl the hair, let's chat, let me update you guys. So this hair, like I probably mentioned this in a previous video, it's really soft. Like even after bleaching it 2 whole times, it is still super soft. I really can't complain. I love the feeling of this hair, and it doesn't feel super dried out or anything like that, even though I have bleached it twice. So it did take to the bleach very well, for one, and also it stayed really nice quality. I can't remember if this hair was Bodywave or if it was straight, but it did have a little bit of a wave to it, and I have yet to see if it waves back up, but it was never that wavy to begin with, so it wasn't something that I'm super focused on. So yeah, I'll let y'all know if the wave pattern came back once I wash it, but yeah, I'm not really looking for it to wave back up because I don't really care. Yeah, so this hair was sent to me by Beauty Forever, and they have really nice hair from what I've tried, and the only thing that I have a problem with is that they made me, in order to get a frontal, like they gave me a budget, right, based on how much like they were willing to give me for free, and in order to get a frontal I had to get the 10-inch one, and I think it throws off this whole wig for me that the frontal is so short, because I probably should cut it because it just doesn't look right when like the frontal pieces are so short and then the hair is longer. So I'm gonna try to curl it and see if that makes it look better. Otherwise I probably will end up cutting this hair to be 10 inches all around. I can't remember what my longest length is. It's probably 16, but yeah, that was the only thing that bothered me, is that they wouldn't give me longer lengths, and it's really annoying. Like at the least the frontals should be the same length as the first bundle. 10 inches is just really short in my opinion, and I would prefer never to have a frontal this short ever again. I just don't like how they look when they're short. If you're gonna do a short style, all the bundles and the frontal need to be the same length. Otherwise, it just looks dumb. So I'm not really feeling how this wig came out, but that doesn't mean that they have bad hair or anything. It's just that I would have liked for the frontal to be longer. But, you know, I understand that they have a budget, and I am getting the hair for free, so like whatever they send me is what they send me. Who cares? It's not like I'm spending my money on it. But yeah, a lot of people ask me about my sponsored reviews, and at the end of the day, whether I got the hair for free or I got paid or whatever the case is, I'm always gonna give my opinion 100%. And I get a lot of DMs, especially on Instagram, of people that are like, so what's the real truth about the hair? Like, is it really good? Is it holding up? And it annoys me because it's like, I've made multiple videos on the hair and y'all are still like looking for me to give you some opinion that doesn't exist. Like, whatever I said in the video is what I said in the video, and I meant it. And that's not even to be rude. Like, I literally meant it. Like, there is no extra tea, there's no anything. Like, if I say I like the hair, I like the hair. I made one video about the worst hair I've ever had, and that was the only time I really had some pretty terrible hair. Like, and if I do try, I can't even speak. There have been companies that reached out to me and sent me hair that I did not like, and you didn't see it on my channel because I don't like it. Like, that's it. So just know that when you see me reviewing something, my opinion is completely my own. Like, and I don't want to be questioned about that. Like, I just think that's really annoying. So I'm just going through and popping some curls in to give it some body, since I don't like the length of this hair. I'm trying to see if curling it will make it any more tolerable for me. So yes, back to Beauty Forever. They sent me this hair. I really like it. It's super soft. It's still holding up good. I'm not sure how long I've had it for, but I will let you guys know in either the title of this video will say how long, or down in the description box, I'll let you guys know how long I've had it. But it came in 2 days because I ordered it on Amazon Prime. Well, I didn't order it, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. They sent it to me within 2 days because it's Amazon Prime eligible, so it can come to you really quickly. You can get it super fast if you are in a hurry. So I'm probably gonna fast forward through this. So the bang, you have to curl it a certain way, and it's hard. So I try to section it off so that it kind of all flows the way I want it to, all in the same direction. So I just put the curling iron like this, and you're gonna curl it going towards the back. And you want to curl really tight at the top of your head because this is what's gonna frame your face, so it needs to look good. I don't know, oh, you guys can't see anything that I'm doing, I'm so sorry. But I'm just holding the curl in the curling iron, and I'm gonna let it out, and I'm gonna let it sit like that and cool before I go ahead and show you guys how to style it. So you do that again, you pull the piece like that, right? And then you just start to curl it all the way down until you got all the hair, and then you kind of just sit it up at the top. And you want to let this sit for a while because you want these curls up here to set, right? And then they look doofy right now. Then you're gonna fluff it backwards, right? And then push it forward. Yes! So literally, I'm gonna show you guys that again. You pull it back and then you push it forward and you get the feathered out effect. And this now looks really good. Then I'm gonna spray some oil in the hair just to give it some sheen. I don't want to mess with it too much now since I got it to how I want it. But yeah, this is what you got. This is the Beauty Forever hair. I really, really like it. Let me know what you guys think about it. I think it looks really cute. And let me know what you guys think about this color. Like, is this my color or am I making it up? Like, I think this is my color, y'all. Let me know if I should do a wig where the whole thing is this color, because I really like it. But don't you look at how this awkward length is. This, I really want to cut this hair. And if you guys think I should cut it, let me know, because I'll come back and show you how. But I just want to cut it like to right here. Like right here, because I just feel like it looks dumb, this length. Like, it looks like it's too long. I feel like it would look really nice like in a bob, like right there. But I'm gonna leave it because I don't want to mess it up. So yeah, this is what we got. I really love this hair. It holds a curl well, as you can see. It's really soft, it's flowy, it's not stiff, and I have bleached it twice, as I mentioned. Let me know what you guys like about it in the comments down below. Check out Beauty Forever hair. They have some really pretty hair, so go get you some, girl. That is how I curl this hair. I made this wig myself and I colored it myself, and I'm really feeling myself right now. So I'm gonna take some pictures for the gram and my Snapchat, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.